If you are trying to make a full-time living freelancing in 2026, choosing the wrong platform can cost you thousands of dollars in wasted fees and lost opportunities. Upwork has overhauled its proposal algorithm and raised the cost of connects, while Fiverr has pivoted aggressively toward AI-assisted service packages and enterprise clients. Today, we are opening both seller dashboards side by side. I will walk you step by step through setting up an optimized listing, beating the algorithmic filters, securing high-paying clients, and avoiding the hidden fee traps that destroy beginner profits. By the end of this guide, you will know exactly where to spend your energy. Let's break down the basic mechanics of both platforms in 2026. Fiverr operates as a buyer-driven marketplace where clients search for pre-packaged services called gigs. You set fixed tiers: basic, standard, and premium, and buyers click buy now. Fiverr takes a straight 20% cut from your earnings, plus buyer service fees. On the other hand, Upwork is a client posting job board where clients post jobs and freelancers submit custom proposals. Upwork charges a flat 10% freelancer service fee, but requires paid connects to submit proposals. Understanding this fundamental difference is crucial before setting up your workflow. Now let's walk through Step 1, Profile Optimization for 2026 Search Engines. On Fiverr, navigate to your seller dashboard, click Create a new gig, and type your main keyword into the title field. Make sure to toggle on the AI Assistance tag feature to let Fiverr semantic search match your service. Next, set your 3 pricing tiers with specific deliverables and turn on extra fast delivery. On Upwork, click Profile Settings and select Specialized Profile. Use the built-in AI Profile Enhancer to write your bio, highlighting specific ROI metrics. Save changes and verify your availability status badge to boost search rank. Step 2 is winning high-paying client orders. On Upwork, click Find Work, apply the budget filter for over $1,000, and open a job posting. Notice the required connects. Click Submit a Proposal, paste your custom dynamic proposal script, and attach a Loom video link in the first 2 sentences. Use the Boost Proposal slider strategically to rank in the top 3 bids. On Fiverr, client acquisition relies on gig video conversion. Open your gig edit panel, upload a 60-second direct-to-camera intro video, and add high-resolution portfolio PDFs. Accounts with verified video intros convert 40% higher. Step 3 involves leveraging integrated AI workspaces to speed up service delivery. On Fiverr, open your active order page and click Fiverr AI Brief Assistant. This tool automatically summarizes buyer requirements into actionable tasks and generates outline drafts. On Upwork, navigate to the Upwork Messages tab and open the AI Copilot panel. Use it to generate contract milestones, draft client updates, and schedule video calls directly inside the workspace. Utilizing these platform-native AI tools directly improves your response speed metric, which directly controls your account tier placement and top-rated seller status. Let's examine the common money traps freelancers fall into on both platforms in 2026. On Upwork, the biggest mistake is blind proposal spamming. Spending 15 to 20 connects per proposal on jobs with over 50 applicants will drain your budget fast. Fix this by targeting jobs posted less than 30 minutes ago with fewer than 5 bids. On Fiverr, the major trap is underpricing your basic tier at $5 while absorbing full revisions. Set your entry price higher, lock revisions to 2 max, and put additional revisions behind paid gig extras to protect your hourly earnings. For advanced creators, here is how to scale to enterprise revenue in 2026. On Upwork, switch from an individual profile to an agency account by going to Settings, selecting Create Agency, and inviting team members. This allows you to submit team proposals for $10,000 plus contracts. On Fiverr, aim for Fiverr Pro verification. Go to Fiverr Pro application, submit your business portfolio, client invoices, and degree credentials. Fiverr Pro sellers gain access to Fiverr Enterprise buyers, dedicated account managers, and can set gig prices up to $20,000 per order without platform penalties. Here is the final verdict for 2026. Choose Fiverr if you prefer passive client discovery, productized services, structured deliverables, and high-volume recurring orders without buying proposal credits. Choose Upwork if you prefer high-ticket custom contracts, long-term hourly retainer contracts, direct relationship building, and team agency scaling. For optimal results, build a specialized Fiverr Pro gig while actively bidding on select Upwork enterprise jobs. Click the link in the description to download our free proposal templates, and subscribe for weekly freelance growth strategies.